Order filled.
Good morning, everyone. Today is Monday, October 14th, 2024, and we're going down with QQQ. Inverted H, wide state, inverted H. Inverted H, wide state, inverted H. V pattern, wide state, oscillator agreement. Impulse, correct, and we're expecting another impulse back down. Let's change the transparency real quick. At this point, a beginning trader and or a novice trader would be feeling like they missed out. I should have got out when it got close to a $1 move. What I anticipate to happen is it reacted off of a level. It's going to bounce off the level and it'll come back down to the level. So at the very least, I'll close out when we get back down $1, but I think that we're going to go a little bit farther than $1, so that's why we're holding out. Again, the institutions play on emotions all the time, and that's what gets people in trouble all the time. This is the level I think price will revisit. So if we drop past the $1, past the 50, we'll get down somewhere in that box area.
Horizontal line triggered on symbol QQQ.
And there's a $1 move, ladies and gentlemen. What we're going to do is we're going to lock in a guaranteed 50-cent move, and we're going to let this trade develop more. Again, I want to see how it reacts off the 50 moving average on a 1-minute chart, and I truly believe that we'll get down to roughly around, at the very least, the 497, 496.75-ish area. At this point, what we're going to do is we're going to lock in a guaranteed $1 move, and I want to see this price drop with speed and violence, possibly get down to this $2 marker area, but depends on how and where we close on this bar will dictate the next bar sequence. So if we barely close around, maybe a little bit above, maybe a little bit below that 50 moving average, we might only have a 1-bar stay after that. We might have a reaction where it drops quick and then blast back up, or it might be the chasm to blast back up. So again, we're going to see where this closes, and then we're going to make our judgment call from there. All right, since we close right next to the 50 moving average, we're only going to stay around for about 5, maybe 10 seconds most. Hold on. I think we might punch out if this drops hard.
Order filled.
And there's roughly around $1.75, $1.80 today on QQQ, ladies and gentlemen. As always, never forget, be a pro.